from Let's Leg, and today I'm going to be doing a Minecraft modding tutorial. This is the first in the series, and this is for beginners to intermediate. It's not that advanced. Some might say it is, though. And this is if you already have it set up. Link in the description for the setup. I am not going to do it, but it is by TheMchewy. Another YouTube channel and he does the setup, and this setup I'm using, he has it really organized, and I like it so that you don't have to actually use all the default stuff. So yeah, this is basically if you already have everything set up, and yeah, so this is basically gonna start off your Minecraft modding. So enough talking. This tutorial is going to be items, the basic items. So first what we want to do is go ahead and do this. Let's just say items. Sorry about that. That was kind of loud. And sorry if I sound a little sick. It's probably because I am. But items. And let's go ahead and just say public static item. And if you don't know what this is, it's basically we're creating an item. We're not registering in the game or anything, but yeah. And then we're gonna name it item. Let's call this tutorial item. Then equals new. We can just copy this over. Oh, copy that over right there. So this is basically gonna create the item, a new item by the name of item tutorial item, and we're basically making a new tutorial item. So now in here you just want to put the ID of it, and if you don't know what that is, in Minecraft, instead of names for the blocks, they have the names, but they use numbers to indicate the blocks. I think wood is 4 and stuff, but we're gonna start off at 5,000 just to be safe. So you just go in and do that, and you can see some people, they do dot set, all that stuff, but I didn't do that. I like to do that actually in the mod itself. So now just hit Control Shift and then hit O, and that'll do that. Import the net Minecraft item, which is right here, and let's see, we can undo that real quick, and you can just hover over item and hit import item. Make sure it's the net.minecraft.item. Anything else will probably not be right. So now that we have this, we basically want to register it in the game. So right down here, we're just gonna do let's just call it items, and just do game registry dot register item, and you'll get this, and you can just go through here and select it. I'm using arrow keys, and it's item tutorial item, then hit enter. Now let's see, this will basically be what it is in the game, what it's going to be called. So if you were to do give player and you want to do your item, it'll be tutorial mod for me, tutorial mod colon, not semicolon, but colon, and then this. So this is just going to be tutorial underscore item. That's what I'm going to put it. And then let's make another section for items, not caps lock, items. And this is going to be the language registry, and this will basically add name, and this will basically add the name. So what it will show up whenever you equipped it. It has the little thing over the GUI of your little hotkey thing inventory that has all your items, the quick bar, I guess I should say, and it will have that name. So we name that, sorry, that's kind of in the way. So item tutorial item, and then in quotation marks we put what we wanted to be called. So let's just call it tutorial item. So you want it to be nice and pretty because that's what everyone will see in your mod. And you can go and make more sections, make it more organized, but I don't really care. Now over here, you just want to click on your mod package with your main base mod, Java. Let's go ahead and click on that. Right click it, go to new, and then hit package. Now just add at the end a period and then items, and then hit enter, and now you should see you have a new package. Now you can go up here and just hit this, which is new Java class, or you can right click new and new class, and those both do the same. Now this will basically be the actual item where we store all the information. Sorry guys, I'm getting out of breath already, but it's called and it has to be the same name that you put in here. So item, tutorial, item. And whenever I was first learning how to do this, I was like, why do you put item there? I mean, you don't have to. It's just to keep it more organized, because you can have like block tutorial but not item. But yeah, so you don't have to do that. You can just put tutorial item, whatever. So yeah, and so item, tutorial, item. Let's go ahead and create that, and you should get this, and you should see it's in tutorial mod items. So basically right here, we're going to put extends, and then item. Now go and hover over item, hit import item. Make sure it's the net.minecraft.item. Once you do that, you shouldn't get any errors, except for in here. And to fix that, you just hover over here, and hit Control, Shift, and O. Then it will get even more red. You just hover over that, hit change, create constructor. You'll get this. Just hit enter until all that disappears, and you can just delete this auto-generated stub. So now if we were to start the game, we would basically just have an item with no texture. The name would be set and everything, but it doesn't have a creative tab, but that's for a different video. But in this video, we're doing the basic items. Now let me explain basically what all this is. So basically, this is just declaring the item, and we're putting extends item because in the default Minecraft item, you see, I hit Control and then click that, and that brings up the default item with all this. So yeah, it's going to extend this. So basically, it's going to get everything from here and basically bring it over here. So this is like an item, and we're just going to declare it in that. So in this constructor, this is where we're going to put all the information about it. So we put this dot, and now we get all of these options to, set stuff, get something. And so for this, we're just going to put, we're actually going to be doing multiple things, but this just put set unlocalized name. You see right here, and I can just hit enter or click this twice, and it'll bring this up. So in here, you just want to do item, tutorial, item, and that's just the unlocalized name. So wherever it is, that's basically what it is, what the name is. Sorry if that's kind of confusing, but now we're going to put this dot set, how about texture name, and basically in here, you'll see in some other tutorials, people will do like mod ID, or for us it will be references dot mod ID and stuff, and then like separate it with that, but I think that's kind of confusing. So basically, just in quotes, you just want to put the name of it, of the package right here. You see how it's all lowercase and stuff. So tutorial mod, just like that, and then a colon still inside of the quotation marks, and type in the name of the texture. So this one, I believe I put as tut item. I already have a texture. You don't have to. If you do this, it won't give you an error. It just won't have a texture. It'll be like a purple and black box. So now, basically how you add the texture in here, you just want to go ahead and open up the resources right here, right click on it, new, and then just go down and click folder. Name it, actually, hold on, let's do this a lot easier. So go to where it is, mine is on the desktop, tutorial mod, your folder, go into bin, tutorial mod, and then you should get something called items. Well, no, okay, you just want to go into here, and, wait, source, resources, okay guys, just go to your folder, click on source, main, resources, and click on new, oh, not shortcut, my bad, click on new, and then folder, just say textures, and then make a new folder, and just call it items, and this is where your texture is going to go. I already have a texture in here, tutorial, and yeah, tut item, it's the .png, I'm pretty sure they all have to be PNGs, so. And now if we were to go in here, you see we have textures.items, and we should get to item.png. Now just go ahead and hit, wait, drag this into the, here, wait, no, yeah, okay, that's fine. And so now I have it in there, and we can go ahead and run the game by clicking the run client. I just do debug because you can still change things in the Eclipse, and it will update in the game. So if you see in the console, we're getting the setting username is basically just setting up all the Minecraft. And we're getting a crash. Why is that? Let's see. What is wrong? Registry. I don't see anything that's wrong. Guys, I'll be right back. The problem was, you won't get this, but I didn't have com tutorial dot, that. I just had this because I had copied it from an earlier project, and you won't get that problem. So I just went through a lot to get this. It's been a few minutes, but yeah, and there's something wrong with the texture. I already went and tested it, but let's see. Basically in here, you just want to go into bin, and then you should get textures. Go ahead and drag this folder into here, and you should get this. Now you can delete this, and I think that you can like somehow refresh this. I don't know if that will work, and wow. Okay guys, don't do that. I just deleted my texture. Wow. Okay guys, let's see if it's in my recycle bin. See, I have lots of stuff in here, bacon, all of that. I don't think it's in here. No, okay. Well guys, I guess I'll just use one of the default textures right now, since I was just so stupid. Actually, let's Command Z it. Oh, come on. Main resources textures. No, okay, wrong place. Bin textures. Oh my goodness, what did I do? I don't even know. I thought that I dragged all of it in. Source, main, resources, textures, no. See nothing there. Bin, wouldn't be in there, but textures, nothing. Okay guys, so I'll just use one of the default textures. Sorry about that inconvenience. I'll have it up by next tutorial, but yeah, this will work. And actually, I'm sorry to waste all this time, but just for your sake, I'm going to show you where to actually put the textures. Go into bin, okay? Actually, just go into source and go ahead and create a new folder and just call it assets. And into there, just go into new folder, just call it textures, and there, just do new folder and do items. And then for blocks, you do blocks, and tools are items, so it wouldn't matter. And yeah, so that's that. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let's just do a diamond, and let's go in and set the creative tab too. So this dot set creative tab, and just do creative. No, okay, let's do new creative tabs. Go into here and do creative creative tabs, tabs dot, okay, yeah, here we go, creative tabs dot, let's just do misc, and let's close that off. That should work. What's the error? Creative tabs, Control Shift O. Cannot instantiate, I don't know, creative tab, new creative tabs, tab misc. That's what I did, I'm not sure. Yeah, okay, there we go. Just do creative tabs dot, then whatever one. So mine, I'm just gonna do tab misc. Let's go and test it out. I don't even know how long this video is. Hopefully not too long. Okay. And see, I went ahead and created this world. I didn't really do anything. I just walked around a bit with the item that didn't have a texture because it was all messed up. But now we see tutorial item, there it is with the diamond texture, and it should be in misc. It should be a diamond, yep, tutorial item. So yeah, that's basically that tutorial, the basic item tutorial. Next tutorial I'm gonna do, goodness, this is lagging, but I'm gonna do basic blocks. So yeah, wow, this is really weird. I'm gonna I'll just keep it at this for some of you guys that aren't used to that. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.